and integrated box beam. And both of this box beam will be applied into storage system. So first of all, I will introduce you this kind of the box beam. This is the drawing. It's made by double C purlin. This is the output of the machine. Actually, this is kind of, we call it like a, and this is the overturning device. Automatically. It could be replaced by manual overturning. So this is the profile which come out from the forming machine. So two pieces of this C purlin, one on top of another one to be a box beam. And usually the width, this part of the width is flexible. And in our machine, it's fully automatically change over. And regularly in China, the thickness is up to 2 millimeters. So it's gearbox transmission. And this is the decoder. This is the decoder. And here is the machine. So you can see it's gearbox, heavy duty, and with see the forming steps. It has combined the 14 rolling stations. So the operation will be standing over there. Here's the control cabinet. This is the machine, which is good for C purlin produce. The machine will be turned on 2 days later, within this week. After the double set to be a box beam. This is kind of the final product.